Welcome to day 60 of my 100 Days of Webflow journey. Today we're going to see how to build a custom Lightbox, something that a lot of you have asked me for. So we're going to see how I made this build on Webflow. This is easy using the custom Lightbox component available on Webflow natively. We're going to check out how to do that. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 Days of Webflow journey. We're going to showcase a lot of cool Webflow tips and tricks, and now with the new Webflow UI, this is gonna look super cool. Let's go. Alright, so I'm often asked how I build this Lightbox thing. By the way, the new UI is kicking, but I don't know where I can preview. Okay, so the idea here is where I have, actually let's view this in the live version, it will be nicer. Okay, so what I have here are these tabs, and there are 3 different videos showing in the background. And then when I scroll over to this part of the screen, I get this show reel, play button. And then when I click, it shows a video. It opens a video. Now, how is that working? So basically now here there is a Lightbox, and this is what we'll be talking about, Lightbox. And Lightbox are native Webflow component that you can just have and add media to it. So in this case, there is a Lightbox in this frame, as you can see, inside a play vid div. So this is the div. It has a style of 90%, height of 90%, and it's placed here. And then inside it is a Lightbox component. So Lightbox components. Lightbox components can be in groups. So if you have more than one, let's say more than one video showing at the same page, or like a group of videos that you want to showcase together with the right left button, you can do that. So in this case it's just one, so I just put one. It doesn't have a group name, but it says link with other, if you want to link it with other Lightbox. So it doesn't have a group name. I think this feature is new, not at the time when I built it. So you can add media, so you can add an image, and then when someone clicks they can see an image, or you can add a video, and in this case I added a video. You add the URL of the video. So another example of a Lightbox is this website here. So when you click on the material of the sculpture, you can see that it has like a slider of this materials only, and then if you click on the other one, it has different group. So this is group by Lightbox, and this is basically Lightbox. So it's just a really nice way to view videos, to view media in a pop-up style without disrupting any of the Webflow build. Thank you for watching the video. I hope I taught you something today. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 Days of Webflow journey. See you tomorrow.